Good morning, children. I am Alia here. I will teach you the GK of class 4. This is a prescribed book for class 4 for this year. We will start from chapter number 2. Chapter number 1 we will do afterwards. In this chapter there are 4 exercises A, B, C and D. So we will start from the first exercise. In this exercise the famous skyscrapers they are given here. Skyscrapers means that the tall buildings. The instructions are look at the pictures to identify famous skyscrapers from all over the world. Pick your answers from the help box. So here the nation's name and the building photograph is given. You have to take out the name of the building from the help box. Okay, the first one is Dubai, UAE. They have given the name of the nation, Dubai, UAE, and the building photograph. So you have to recognize, and the name of the building is Burj Khalifa. Second is Shanghai, China. The nation name is Shanghai, China, and you have to recognize the building's name, and the building's name is Shanghai Tower. Third is Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and the name of the building is Petronas Twin Towers. Now the fourth one is Dubai, UAE again, and the name of the building is Burj Al Arab. Now the fifth one is New York City, USA, that is the United States of America, and the building's name is Empire State Building. Sixth one is Illinois, USA, and the building's name is Willis Tower. Now exercise B, read the clues to identify some architectural marvels of the world. Pick your answers from the help box. Now these are the buildings, beautiful buildings from all over the world, and they have given some clues to you. You have to read the clues, then you have to recognize the building, and now you have to give the name of the building then. First one is, this was the world's tallest building until 1931. It is a symbol of the city of Paris. And the name of the building is Eiffel Tower. The second is, this shimmering white marble structure in Agra was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. And you must have know the name of it. This is Taj Mahal, and I hope that most of the children, you must have seen this building yourself. Now the third one is one of the 7 new wonders of the world. This 98-foot statue is one of the most famous landmarks of Brazil, and the name of this statue is Christ the Redeemer. Now the fourth one is, this famous bell sits inside the clock tower of the British Parliament in London, and the name of the building is Big Ben. Now the fifth and the last one is, known for its flower-like shape, this structure in Delhi is a Baha'i house of worship, and the name of this building is Lotus Temple. And I hope again that most of the children must have seen this building also. Now the C exercise. In this exercise, identify where these famous landmarks are located. Take the correct answer option. They have given the pictures of the buildings over here, and they have given 3 answers for it. You have to choose the correct answer, and they have given some clues for that. The first one is, the famous Sydney Opera House is surrounded by the Sydney Harbour in 3 sides. Which country is it located in? And the correct answer is Australia. The second one, if you are visiting the Golconda Fort, which Indian state are you in? And the answer is Telangana, Hyderabad. Now the third one is, the Colosseum is the largest amphitheater in the world which could house up to 87,000 spectators. In which city is it located? So it is located in Rome. The Forbidden City is a palace that has been home to the emperors of the Ming and Qing dynasty for more than 400 years. In which city will you find it? So we will find it in Beijing. The last one is, Borobudur is the world's largest Buddhist temple. Where it is located? It is located in Indonesia. Now the last exercise, D exercise. Different unusual modes of transportation are used in different parts of the world. Draw lines to match the vehicles to the country they are found in. So here are the pictures of the vehicles, and here are the names of the cities or the countries in which they are used. So you have to match the names of the country with the mode of transportation. The first one is gondola. This is called the gondola, and gondola is used in Italy. Second was is bamboo train, and the bamboo train is used in Cambodia. Third is Shinkansen. Shinkansen is used in Japan. And the fourth one is cyclo. Cyclo is used in Vietnam. And the fifth one is felucca, and felucca is used in Egypt. Now these are the exercises, 4 exercises of chapter number 2, which I have explained to you. I will give you the answers. This I have explained completely, but I will give the written answers on WhatsApp group to you all these 4 exercises.